Hello everybody. So today we're outside my office at Kathra and Bloor. I decided to do a video outside because I want to talk about motor vehicle accidents and what you should be doing when you get into a car accident. And as you can see on Kathra and Bloor, it's usually a pretty busy road. And today there appears to have been another accident right on Kathra. But the intersection that I really want to talk to you about is the intersection of Kathra and Burnhamthorpe, which is a little further north of here. And there's a big blind spot as you're waiting on Kathra to try and turn left on Burnhamthorpe. And there's been many occasions that I've gone there and I've seen cars in an accident at the exact same spot and repeatedly. And that happens because as you come south on Kathra, there's a big blind spot because the road turns and you can't see the vehicles that are coming. It seems to you as you're going north on Kathra that the road is clear. But as you're turning, all of a sudden these cars appear out of nowhere, and exactly at the same location there's been numerous accidents that I've viewed. And I've thought about going and giving my business card to these individuals because I know at that point in time they're worried. I haven't done that, but nor would I. But I know these people are worried that, look, either they're the cause of the accident or the guy that hit them is the cause of the accident. But there's one additional factor. That is the design of the road itself. And that's the responsibility of the city. The city has not made sure that the signage is there appropriately, and they haven't made sure that this road, which has a blind spot, gets fixed. And year after year, month after month, there's car accidents in the exact same spot. So what happens when you get into accidents on roads which are unsafe, which are poorly designed? Should you be just blaming yourself and the other driver? Or should you get yourself a good lawyer who can then look into the responsibility of the city? Because ultimately it comes down to dollars. How much money are you going to have to pay, or your insurance company, if you are insured as a cause of the car accident? If that happens, you want to make sure that you bring in as many people that are responsible into the lawsuit. That includes the city, because the people who got the most amount of money is the city of Mississauga itself. We happen to be in Mississauga. That's one location, which is a very problematic location. But I'm sure people have experienced these accidents in other locations, in other cities. So you should always consider getting yourself a good lawyer who will look into the demographics and check as to the road designs, as to why these accidents are happening, how often these accidents happen, and whether or not you can hold the city responsible. It's not always your fault that the car accident happened. And so you want to make sure you put responsibility where it truly lies.